As we enter the final days of December 2024, the excitement surrounding the possibility of a financial windfall is palpable. Whether you are a firm believer in the mystical powers of numerology, the law of attraction, or simply a lover of the thrill that comes with a lottery draw, the allure of winning numbers is undeniable. These numbers have been thoughtfully selected to align with positive energy and fortune-attracting vibrations, giving you the best possible chance to close this year with a burst of prosperity and abundance. Let's dive into these 10 sets of winning numbers that could make this holiday season truly unforgettable. These winning numbers are more than just digits. They symbolize hope, transformation, and a brighter future. Each combination is inspired by energies that promote prosperity, joy, and renewal, making them ideal for the final days of the year. The end of the year is a perfect time to reflect on what you've achieved and what lies ahead, and using these numbers as your guide can be a powerful way to align yourself with the universe's abundant energies. Let's explore each combination and the deeper meanings behind these numbers, helping you connect with the energies of luck and transformation that they carry. Let these numbers be a beacon of positivity as we move into a new chapter. 1, 3, 7, 12, 19, 28, 36. The number 3 represents creativity, growth, and expansion, which makes it ideal for manifesting abundance. Number 7 is often associated with spirituality, intuition, and good fortune, making it a perfect number to attract positive vibes. Number 12 brings the energy of harmony and completeness, while 19 symbolizes new beginnings and success. The number 28 is associated with ambition and prosperity, while 36 represents creativity and expression. Together, this combination of numbers embodies a sense of completion, renewal, and growth, making them ideal for closing out the year on a positive note. These numbers encourage you to embrace the energy of change, to look forward with optimism, and to make the most out of the opportunities that come your way. As you focus on these numbers, visualize the positive changes you wish to make in the coming year, and trust that these energies will guide you toward your goals. The final days of the year are a time for reflection and growth, and this combination is here to help you step confidently into the next phase of your journey with hope and determination. 2, 5, 11, 17, 20, 3, 29, 40. The number 5 symbolizes freedom, adventure, and transformation, which makes it an excellent number for those who are ready to embrace change. Number 11 is known as a master number and represents heightened intuition, spiritual awareness, and inspiration. The number 17 is associated with resilience and overcoming challenges, while 23 is known for bringing joy, happiness, and a sense of adventure. Number 29 represents partnerships, connections, and teamwork, while 40 symbolizes stability, determination, and the fulfillment of goals. This combination of numbers is perfect for anyone seeking a balanced yet adventurous conclusion to the year. It encourages you to embrace change, take risks, and trust in your ability to manifest positive outcomes. These numbers remind you that true success lies in your ability to balance excitement and stability, allowing yourself to take bold steps while remaining grounded in your values and aspirations. Let these numbers serve as a reminder that embracing change is an essential part of growth, and stepping into new opportunities with confidence is the key to unlocking abundance. 3, 8, 14, 21, 25, 33, 42. The number 8 is a powerful symbol of abundance, material wealth, and prosperity. It also represents the cycles of life and the balance between the material and the spiritual. Number 14 stands for harmony, adaptability, and the ability to create balance in your life. The number 21 represents joy, creativity, and growth, while 25 is associated with personal freedom, curiosity, and adaptability. Number 33 is known as a master number, symbolizing compassion, wisdom, and the power to uplift others. And 42 represents fulfillment, accomplishment, and positive transformation. These numbers work together to help you manifest abundance while maintaining balance and inner wisdom. They encourage you to pursue your goals with confidence, to be adaptable in the face of challenges, and to use your success to make a positive impact on the world around you. This combination of numbers symbolizes not only material prosperity, but also the growth of wisdom and compassion, reminding you that true abundance encompasses both the physical and spiritual aspects of life. Embrace these numbers as a sign that prosperity is within reach when you live with purpose, intention, and a desire to uplift others. 4, 6, 9, 15, 22, 27, 35. Number 6 is known for its nurturing energy, compassion, and the ability to bring harmony to relationships. The number 9 represents fulfillment, wisdom, and the completion of cycles, making it perfect for the end of the year. Number 15 is a symbol of balance, harmony, and positive energy, while 22 is a master number that represents the power to turn dreams into reality and build something lasting. Number 27 brings a sense of adventure, curiosity, and achievement, while 35 represents creativity, expression, and adaptability. Together, these numbers symbolize emotional richness, fulfillment, and the ability to nurture both personal and professional relationships. They encourage you to focus on building meaningful connections, to celebrate the successes of the past year, and to enter the new year with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. By embracing these energies, you can create a life filled with love, harmony, and abundance, where your personal relationships flourish alongside your professional achievements. Let these numbers remind you that true wealth is not just material, but also lies in the richness of the relationships we nurture and the love we share. 5, 2, 10, 18, 26, 31, 44. Number 2 represents partnerships, duality, and cooperation, while 10 symbolizes the completion of a cycle and the beginning of a new chapter. The number 18 is associated with determination, intuition, and material success, while 26 represents balance, harmony, and positive growth. Number 31 is known for inner strength, creativity, and resilience, and 44 is a master number that symbolizes the power to manifest dreams into reality. This combination of numbers is perfect for those looking to end the year with a sense of fulfillment and a clear vision for the future. It encourages you to reflect on your achievements, to set ambitious goals for the coming year, and to trust in your ability to bring your dreams to life. These numbers remind you that every ending is an opportunity for a new beginning, and by focusing on your strengths and ambitions, you can create a future filled with success, joy, and prosperity. Let these numbers guide you as you take the next steps on your journey, using your achievements as stepping stones toward an even brighter future. 4, 13, 20, 24, 30, 38. The number 4 represents stability, strong foundations, and practicality, making it perfect for those looking to build a secure future. Number 13 symbolizes transformation, growth, and the ability to overcome obstacles, while 20 represents balance, harmony, and the potential for new beginnings. Number 24 is associated with positive change, adaptability, and the pursuit of happiness, while 30 represents creativity, joy, and self-expression. Number 38 symbolizes success, abundance, and the ability to manifest your goals. This combination of numbers is ideal for anyone who wants to build on their successes and create a stable yet vibrant life. It encourages you to embrace change, to build strong foundations for the future, and to pursue your goals with creativity and passion. These numbers remind you that true success is built on a combination of stability, adaptability, and the willingness to take risks, and that by balancing these energies, you can create a life that is both fulfilling and prosperous. Embrace these numbers as a guide to building a future that is secure, yet open to new possibilities, allowing you to enjoy the rewards of both stability and growth. 7. 1, 16, 19, 20, 8, 34, 47. Number 1 represents new beginnings, leadership, and the courage to step into the unknown. Number 16 symbolizes introspection, wisdom, and the ability to learn from past experiences. The number 19 is associated with progress, recognition, and the achievement of goals, while 28 represents ambition, success, and financial prosperity. Number 34 symbolizes creativity, self-expression, and growth, while 47 represents resilience, determination, and the ability to overcome challenges. This combination of numbers encourages you to step into your power, to lead with confidence, and to trust in your ability to create positive outcomes. It reminds you that true leadership begins with believing in yourself, and that by taking charge of your path, you can achieve incredible success. These numbers are perfect for those who are ready to take control of their destiny, to embrace new opportunities, and to make their dreams a reality. Use these numbers to step forward with courage, knowing that you have the power to create the life you desire and to lead others with wisdom and integrity. 8, 7, 8, 15, 20, 3, 32, 39. Combining the spiritual insight of number 7 with the prosperity of number 8 makes this sequence particularly lucky. Number 15 represents joy, harmony, and creativity, while 23 is associated with adaptability, curiosity, and the ability to overcome challenges. Number 32 symbolizes growth, progress, and the pursuit of happiness, while 39 represents resilience, inner strength, and the ability to manifest positive outcomes. This combination encourages you to tap into your inner wisdom, to embrace opportunities for financial growth, and to trust in your ability to create a fulfilling and prosperous life. It reminds you that true prosperity comes not only from external gains, but also from cultivating inner peace and resilience. By balancing spiritual growth with material success, these numbers encourage you to live a life that is both meaningful and abundant, where your financial prosperity is matched by your personal growth and happiness. Let these numbers be a guiding light, showing you that true abundance comes from within, and that when you align your spirit with your material goals, the possibilities are limitless. 9, 12, 17, 22, 36, 41. Number 9 symbolizes fulfillment, wisdom, and the completion of cycles, while 12 represents harmony, balance, and positive energy. The number 17 is associated with determination, resilience, and the pursuit of success, while 22 is a master number that symbolizes the power to build and manifest dreams. Number 36 represents creativity, joy, and the ability to express oneself, while 41 symbolizes stability, success, and the ability to achieve your goals. Together, these numbers represent the culmination of your efforts, the rewards that come with hard work, and the opportunities for growth that lie ahead. They encourage you to embrace a spirit of adventure, to remain open to new experiences, and to trust in your ability to create a fulfilling and prosperous future. These numbers are perfect for those who are ready to celebrate their achievements, to embrace new opportunities, and to step into the new year with confidence and excitement. Embrace these numbers as a symbol of everything you have achieved and all that you are yet to accomplish, and trust in the journey that lies ahead. 10, 3, 11, 14, 27, 35, 43. The creative energy of number 3 paired with the intuitive power of number 11 makes this combination dynamic and inspiring. Number 14 represents harmony, adaptability, and the ability to create balance in your life, while 27 symbolizes joy, curiosity, and the pursuit of happiness. Number 35 represents creativity, self-expression, and the ability to overcome challenges, while 43 represents stability, resilience, and a deep sense of fulfillment. Together, these numbers encourage you to embrace the power of intuition and creativity, to trust in your ability to manifest joy and abundance, and to remain adaptable in the face of challenges. Let these numbers inspire you to pursue your dreams with confidence, knowing that the energies of creativity and intuition are on your side. As you focus on these numbers, visualize the life you wish to create and trust that the universe will support you in your journey toward a future filled with fulfillment, happiness, and prosperity. Let these winning numbers guide you through the final days of December, helping you connect with energies of positivity, growth, and abundance. Each set of numbers has been carefully chosen to align with the vibrations of success, joy, and renewal, providing a powerful way to harness the energies of the universe as you close out this year. As we move into the new year, may these numbers be a beacon of hope, guiding you toward the prosperity and fulfillment that you desire. Trust in the power of these numbers, and remember that true abundance begins with the belief that you are worthy of all the good things life has to offer. Here's to a new year filled with endless possibilities and incredible successes.